Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickUp docs for SOPs and handoffs, full guide step by step clearly. To install ClickUp docs for SOPs and handoffs, first, log into your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sidebar on the left. Locate the Docs section within the sidebar. Click on Docs to open the document creation interface. In the top right corner, click on the plus sign to create a new document. Choose a relevant template or start with a blank document based on your needs. Give your document a descriptive title that reflects its purpose. Begin outlining your standard operating procedures, or SOPs, directly in the document. Utilize headings and subheadings to organize your content clearly. Incorporate bullet points or numbered lists to break down complex processes. Add images or videos as necessary to enhance understanding. To facilitate handoffs, include sections for team roles and responsibilities. Make sure to insert links to related documents for easy access. Keep your language clear and concise to ensure everyone can follow along. After completing your document, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Set the appropriate permissions for team members who need access. Consider using the Comments feature to gather feedback from your team. Once you've finalized the document, review it for clarity and accuracy. Regularly update your SOPs to reflect any changes in processes or roles. Finally, communicate the location of your SOPs to your team to ensure everyone is informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.